What is up guys, my name is Danny. This is my first video. In this video I'll be reviewing the Nike React 87. The colorway on this will be the Royal Tint one. So how do I get them early? So my country is Indonesia, so there's like a complex con, but it's called Jakarta Sneakers Day. They get some epic release. They have Vans, Puma, and other local brands. So the retailer that sells this shoe is called Our Daily Dose. It's somewhat of like a Foot Locker, somewhat of a Foot Locker, or like end clothing. I think because of this event, they decided to sell this on the event and not follow the schedule of the release date, the supposed schedule. So as you guys can see, this shoe has come a long way. So this shoe first debuted at the Paris Fashion Week. So this shoe, so the Nike React 87 has a lot of silhouette. It got many colorways, and I love the constructed feel to it. It has a lot of exposed pieces, and I love the React sole. It has the full React foam, similar to the Epic React. And as you guys can see, the fabric, it has the iconic React 87 translucent material, the transparent fabric. This one is plastic. When you guys get this shoe, I suggest that you guys smell it because it smells like Crocs. Okay, it's really funny, but I think because of the plastic material, they use the same material as Crocs. I know it's kind of far to compare it to Crocs, but if you guys smell it, it has the iconic Crocs smell. So besides the transparent fabric, the transparent plastic thing, it has the suede fabric over here, and on the back it has the Nike logo and the suede fabric right over here too. It has a pink stitching and purple accent on it, which is really nice. I love the design of the Nike React 87, especially this colorway. And one more thing is, I love the sole on this one, the inner sole on this one. It has cork material on it, as you guys can see right over there. Okay, this is size 10. This one is size 10. It has the Nike React logo on top of here, and it has the Nike logo in here, Nike logo. As you guys can see, it's pretty nice. Check out the left one. On the shoelace, it has this kind of logo on it, orange logo on it, which I don't know what logo is it. I think it's the Nike logo, but the other one is somewhat of a pine tree logo. I think they're going for more of a recycled thing, recycled theme, more of a eco-friendly. I think they use recycled materials because it has the pine logo over here and the Nike logo right over here. I don't know if you guys can see that. Yeah, yes, the pine and the Nike logo. Because of the deconstructed feel, I think they're going for the recycled theme. I think I would really love to see this collab with the Off-White. I know the Off-White and Nike have the pink colorway, but not React. But I would really love if they would do it with the Nike React, which would be really cool. And what else? You guys can get this at February 15. This Nike React 87 Royal Tint will be dropping on February of 15th. So the price on this, the retail price on this will be $160. You guys can buy this on SNS, BSTN, or N Clothing. SNS and Clothing, they will be using a raffle system, but BSTN, they will use a first come first serve. The resale potential on this shoe, I think it will be double the price, somewhere in the 300 margin, or above 250, because looking from the predecessor, the colorway that has a lot of interest will resell for a pretty high value. So if you guys wanna cop this, I suggest you guys getting this for retail. So before I end this video, I'm gonna give you guys more detail on the shoe. Sorry for the blur. Okay, that's it guys. See you guys at the next video. Bye.